Help me, doctor, I'm going to die.
Welcome to the Bond Land. In this land, you will learn how to strengthen your financial health. Bond would help you maintain your future wealth as you are sent from the hospital. Your mission is to buy hospital bond. If the mission is accomplished, you're gonna get your life back.
Bond. Bank! Let's go to the bank. Ah! Where am I?
Hi, welcome to our bank. We heard that you need to buy hospital bond. Let's see. We'll present you the overview of this industry, okay?
Alright.
Today, with the growth of GDP and aging community, domestic demand in healthcare services is increasing. However, this increased demand still cannot catch up with the excess supply provided by private hospitals. For global, medical tourism industry is expected to see continued strong growth as more and more people are traveling abroad for healthcare services. Many hospitals in Thailand believe that most international demand will arise from patients living within an 8-hour flight from Bangkok. Thailand's regional competitors are hospitals in countries such as Singapore, Malaysia, and India. Private hospitals in Thailand have a competitive advantage compared to many other countries, as Thailand has a unique high-quality medical care, internationally accepted treatment of all diseases and expert physicians, friendly and generous care, internationally accepted standards which giving foreigners confidence in the quality of service of Thai hospital. Moreover, medical service costs are also reasonable. And this is all market shares.
Oh, that company seems interesting. What a very big market share. What's that company?
This is Bangkok Dusit Medical Service Company Limited Group or BDMS. The main competitor of this company is Bamburat Hospital Public Company Limited, who provides almost the same service to the same target customers. However, within Thailand, there's only few private hospitals that have technology and sophistication to address the needs of international patients. And BDMS company also gained a very high profit growth from last year. Woo! Do you want to know about other companies?
No. I want this bond so badly.
Dear my lord, could you please send someone to help this man to fulfill his destiny?
As you wish.
Hello sir, you are interested in BDMS bond, right? Let's start with the hospital.
Yeah, let's go.
Here we are, Bangkok Hospital, the main corporation of BDMS.
Awesome! Such a wonderful place.
First thing you need to know is the background of the company. Here is Dr. Bear, the president of Bangkok Hospital.
Nice to meet you, young man. Welcome to our hospital. This hospital is our company's main operation, which was established on 30 October 1969 under the name Bangkok Dusit Medical Services Company Limited, with initial registered capital of 10 million baht. On 26 February 1972, Bangkok Hospital commenced operations in providing medical services. Through business expansion, the company was listed on the Stock Exchange of Thailand on the 2nd October 1991 and registered its conversion to the Public Company Limited in 1994. Since 2003, the company has grown dramatically through many investments in a new subsidiary and acquisitions. Our company operates 17 hospitals domestically and additional 2 hospitals in Cambodia, including 4 major hospital groups, which are Bangkok Hospital, Mitigrate Hospital, BGH Hospital, and International Hospital. In February 2008, our company restructured the finance from long-term debit collateral to uncollateralized unsubordinated debenture, which was rated A by Tris Rating Company Limited. Moreover, announced on 14 December 2010 about the merging with Health Network Public Company Limited, the major shareholder of Payathai Hospital Group and the Bauro Memorial Hospital Group, which is expected to be completed by the second quarter of 2011. So the company's competitive position will be enhanced. Our core business is to offer medical services including diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. Apart from that, the company also provides health insurance, management, information technology, and emergency services, plus operate a central lab through its investment in other medical care-related business, such as manufacture and distribution of medicine, biomolecular lab, and share service. Have a nice day!
Let's take a break here. Wow! My favorite TV show!
Welcome back to the show. Now it's time for financial performance analysis. As you can see, I am standing with one of the most well-known bond investors. Please welcome Mr. Tae-shin.
Oh, thanks.
Today, the company that we focus on is Bangkok Lucid Medical Services or BDMS.
Oh, really? I know that company very well.
I'm glad to hear that. Anyway, let's talk about financial ratio. Mr. Tae-shin, which ratio you look at when you decide to buy a bond?
Well, at first I usually choose some ratio to represent how well the business runs and to ensure that my money is protected.
Then, what are those ratios?
The first one is net profit margin that can determine profitability.
Okay, let's look at BDMS financial statement. What can you say about this?
As I can see, the net profit is growing over time and tend to be increasing in the near future according to the increasing in total revenue.
And what about the next one?
DE ratio is the best one that can tell the leverage of the company. According to the financial statement again, the DE ratio significantly drops in every year, correspond to the increase in equity over time.
That sounds good, right?
Right, because this improvement in leverage shows a good signal to bond investors. Due to the below 1 debt to equity ratio, the company has room to cover more debt in the future.
Yeah, and the next one we're gonna talk about
Cash flow protection, and I think no one can explain it better than the interest coverage ratio.
So,
BDMS had interest coverage 9.5 times for last year, and the company has ability to cover the interest occurred for 9.5 times. Also, the company is not so sensitive and has ability to reflect the change in interest rate happen in the future. And these are the ratios that I usually look at.
oh, now we see all important ratios, but I have some question.
Invite.
All of this is talking about the improvement in the ratio of BDMS itself, but do we have to compare with other company?
It's a good question, and the answer is yes. We should compare with other in the industry, and for the net profit margin, the growth rate of this company is much greater than the average in the same industry. So we can expect the good performance in the long run, which means that they have a good position to cover the long run debt as well.
I see. And what's going on with DE and coverage?
Unfortunately, DE and interest coverage are worse than both competitor and industry average.
It's not good to hear that. Anyway, do you have any idea of the reason behind this?
I think it's unfair to compare the ratios such as DE and interest coverage with the competitors in the same industry but not in the same condition. And one of the reasons is that those companies do not issue their own bond. In addition, BDMS also has their few bonds in the market now that cost a large amount of long-run debt. Moreover, I think the number of BDMS is good enough as a good ratio one.
Oh, what an answer for the real expert.
Everybody tell me like that.
Now, we're coming up with future forecasting of the company.
I'm waiting.
Okay, do you have any comment about the company future?
Of course. Hi. Huh? What the hell? Aren't sure about that?
What happened to you?
The company that I hold bond just got default. How dare? I'm sorry, but I have to go right now. What a shame.
I'm sorry to hear that. Anyway, let's look at future forecasting with me. Firstly, let's take a look at the short-run future of the company. According to the merging with other hospitals since last December, BDMS can generate more revenue that lead to the better financial performance. About the long run, the health trend and the change in society structure need to be taken into account.
That's right, Mr. Moss.
Oh, Mr. Tae-shin, so what's going on with your business?
Everything is gonna be alright.
We see. So, could you please explain the trend of BDMS in the long run?
Yes, nowadays people tend to concern more about their health. Moreover, the society structure is going to change. People tend to live more and have higher average age, As you know, elder people frequently go to hospital. All of this will lead to the greater income of the hospital service in the future.
I cannot find